we're going to have so much fun in the forest.
Yeah!
What's the matter, Ruby? Why don't you go and play with other kids?
I wish my mom and dad were here with us. I haven't seen them for a long time, and I miss them very much.
I'm sure your parents miss you very much too, but they are all busy working in the city, and the city is very far away.
Don't worry, you still have Grandpa, Grandma, and many uncles and aunts.
Uncles and aunts?
Yes, many of your uncles and aunts live right here in the forest.
They live in the forest?
Yes. This is your Uncle Bob. He is 1,000 years old.
Wow.
Say hi to Uncle Bob.
Hi, Uncle Bob.
And that one is Aunt Jenny. She is very young, only 800 years old.
Wow.
Say hello to Aunt Jenny.
Hello, Aunt Jenny. How about that one, Grandma? He is so big and tall.
He is your great uncle. He is so old that no one knows exactly how old he is.
Nor does anybody know his name.
Hello, really old uncle without a name. This is stupid. They're just trees. They can't hear us. What's the point?
Oh, they surely can hear us. And if you listen, you can hear them speak too. Now, who wants to play hide and seek?
Me!
Okay, I'll be it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not? Here I come. Where are you? Where are you? Here you are.
Ah!
Where are you? Where are you? Got you.
Oh!
Hi. Boss, we're going to get rich.
Yes, super rich! That's right. These trees are valuable. They can make all kinds of things with these trees like paper, chairs, tables, and chopsticks.
Yeah, chopstick. I have bought 120 pair of chopsticks with us.
Why have you brought so many pairs?
The four of us will be working here for 10 days, and we each need to use a pair of chopsticks for every meal we have.
Oh.
Yes, and after use them, we'll throw them away because we had wash off. How convenient is that?
Boss, what about recycling?
Forget about recycling.
Yes, we have recycling.
Yes, if everyone recycles, who's gonna pay us to cut down these trees?
Well, I heard this forest is scary. I'm afraid of ghosts.
Oh, you're such a baby. There's no ghosts in the world. But there are certainly some aborigines living in this forest. And they're the ones who I'm really worried about. Shush, here they come.
Greetings, strangers.
Kids, be polite. Say hello to strangers.
Welcome, strangers.
Why have you come to our forest?
We are good guys.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we are students.
And we study trees.
But you don't look like students.
Me? Oh, I'm a professor, a tree professor.
And we
are the students.
who study trees.
But why do you have a baseball bat in your bag?
Because we like baseball.
Yes, Monty is my hero.
But he cheated on his wife.
Why do you have an axe in your bag?
Because we need to cut trees.
What?
No, we're only to cut some little bit of sample and take it back to study it.
But why do you have a gun in your bag?
Because we're loggers. We're here to cut down this entire forest. And the gun is here in case that any of you might make any troubles.
You can't destroy our forest.
The forest is sacred, and the trees are our aunts and uncles and great uncle.
Trees are your uncles. Come on, boys. We've got work to do.
No! Leave our trees alone!
Oh no! You shot my wife!
Grandma, are you okay?
Boss, you shot Grandma.
Oh, she'll live. It's just a scratch.
If she dies, we will become ghosts to haunt us.
Shut up. Shut up and get to work. Don't you want to get paid?
Boss, how much do we get paid for this job?
We got 1,000 NT dollars for each tree we cut down.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, so shut up and get to work.
And make
Make
a lot of money. Yahoo!
1,000,
2,000, 3,000 dollars, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 dollars, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 dollars, 10,000 Taiwanese dollars.
We made a lot of money today. We'll come here and start again tomorrow.
We have to get her to the hospital. She's still bleeding.
But the nearest hospital is very far away.
Hang in there, Grandma.
Listen, everybody, I'm too old. I'm not going to make it. But you must protect our forest at all costs.
But they are big guys with baseball bats, axes, and arms. We're just kids.
And I'm too old to fight.
What can we do?
You can get our uncles and aunts in the forest to help us.
How?
There's a song, the song of the forest. If you sing it, you can communicate with the trees.
Singing a song to the trees, how does that help?
Don't sing it with your mouth, sing it with your heart. And the trees will hear your prayer. Grandpa knows the song.
Holly, 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 holly.
Grandma!
What happened here?
Didn't we cut them down yesterday?
I told you I heard something last night.
This is Boogie Man.
Let's get out of here.
Hey! What's going on here?
Boss, the tree came last night.
The tree we cut down yesterday grew back.
Nobody lives. Get back to work.
I want my mommy.
This is Aboriginals voodoos. I don't believe it.
Boss, you can keep the money, but I have to go.
Why? Why don't you want your money?
Because my grandma is sick, so I have to go and look after her. Bye.
Because my grandma's getting married, so I have to go to her wedding. Bye.
Because my grandma is giving birth to my mom, I have to go and help her deliver.
Fine. You're all chickens. Can't trust anybody these days. If you want to get something done, you must do it yourself first. Come on, trees. Come to daddy.